Hi guys, we're taking a look at this DJI Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal from DJI. So here you go, this is their latest mobile gimbal. And out here at the back, we have the quick features and also what's the content of the box on the outside part of the box. And let's go immediately to the unboxing to see the contents. First here we have the magnetic clamp. So this is the DJI Osmo 7 series magnetic phone clamp. So this will be attached to the rear of your phone, and this is one thing that is new in this Osmo Mobile DJI Multifunctional Module. So in here you can have a light, and also it can help with active tracking, and you can connect the DJI Mic Mini at this one. Cool, right? And it is attached to the magnetic clamp. And now let's go to the other contents. We have here, of course, the paperwork, the manual, and everything you need to understand about our gimbal. Then, of course, we have here the charging cord. First is the phone charging or audio recording cable, so you can connect this from your gimbal to your phone. And then the power cable, which is a USB-C to USB-C, which is 50 centimeters, the long one for charging. And we have here the storage pouch, which comes with the product. And as we take a look, we now have the Osmo Mobile 7P gimbal. So this is a black variant. Take a look at that. And we have here function buttons. I will put the description of its buttons on the description below. So take a look at that. We have here the side wheel, which is exclusive to the gimbal, and the Type-C port right there. So this is a multifunctional 3-axis gimbal. Also, what's good is it has now the built-in tripod, in which it extends from the bottom. Wow, so you don't need to attach any attachments. And of course, it is foldable and very portable. And one good feature is it has also a built-in extension rod. It's more like an all-in-one tripod, gimbal, phone stand now. So there you go, that's the Osmo Mobile 7P. We have here at the back the trigger button for active tracking and other functions. By the way, the functions are written on the description down below. You may check that out. So this is the DJI Osmo Mobile 7P. What do you think? What do you want to know? Put it in the comment section. By the way, this is Rai. Please subscribe. See you on the next one. Bye.